Hello and welcome back to Not Proper Classic. Today we're going to change the rear brake discs and pads. As you can see, I've got the lock and wheel nut in, car's up on a jack. I've got a security bit of wood underneath. So let's take the wheel off and then we can go from there. See you in a second. Now we've got the caliper off, we need to get the disc off, so we need to undo that with an HX5 Allen bit. That'll be because it was in park, isn't it? And it turned and then stopped. I shouldn't look too closely at this, I always find bits that are dirty or...
Well, get the mechanical bits and pieces sorted. Yeah, hit that.
Right, let's replace the brake pads while that's soaking. Let's do a clip. There isn't, that's just gone everywhere. It's not those bits. It's not just a simple, straightforward whip them out. There are, as you may have seen, two pins there which go through the pads, which we need to knock out. So I'll see if I've got something I can do that with and try again. Yep, that's coming. I would say that's a new one for me. I've never had to do pins before.
Well, it's the age of the car.
Yeah. Where are we? That's one of them. Nearly there. There we go. Oh, that's crispy as anything as well.
You got some meat on them?
They have. I went Brembo's. So this should be good and last a long time. That's got copper slip all around it. That way. lined up. Having hit it with a hammer, got it off. There's the old disc pads. It's quite crusty. Probably should have adjusted the handbrake, but we're going to sand that, rough that up, copper slip that, and then put everything new on. New disc on, it's been tightened up as you're on time lapse. It's now just a case of putting, where are we? What can you see? Carrier bolt back in and those two back in as well. New disc on, new pads in, caliper carrier back on. What I have to do is pop the wheel back on, sort out the other side. Jobs are good.